Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix increase net speed problem in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings like there. Then you have to come to your settings. Friends, here you can see there is a option network and internet. You have to click on it, and here it is mobile network, and at the upwards you will see their internet. First you have to open your mobile network and go to preferred network. Then you have to change your network. If you have chosen 5G, that's good. If you have chosen 4G, 3G or 2G, then you have to shift to 5G. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.